Hello, good day all. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install YQArch. You first of all open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have Chrome browser and enable connection. You click and you open. You write YQ. You see this address. This is the address where you will find this application. Then you hit enter. Once you hit the enter button, you wait for it to open. Yes. So it will definitely take you to this area. Forget about the language. Doesn't matter. Just follow the instruction. So it automatically changes to English. So even when you also refuse to, once you are in this site, the first file, that is the one you are going to download. So I already downloaded it. So I will just show you how you will download it. Once you click, so this place will show up. So once it shows up, you scroll down. No, you don't need to scroll down. You see this? You follow this. All software on this side is original and free. So whatsoever. So you scroll down. So this is the application. So you will see this link, Chinese/English bilingual version. So you click on download. So it will automatically be downloaded into your system. You see this? Make sure you're following my cursor. Keep on. So it will download. So automatically I have it in my system. So once it downloads, let me close this since I already have it. So you click on the download. So you go to where your download used to download files are being stored. For my system, I save it here in downloads. Once you open the download, you'll see the file. So this is the file that I just downloaded. So for you to do that, you just copy this. You right click, you copy. So then you minimize this button. So you come to your PC. When you come to your PC, then you open C drive. This is your C drive. Then you paste it here like the way I did. So after you paste it here, then you unzip it. Okay, to extract files here. Once you click here, this thing will extract and leave you with this folder. So once it's done, you click this folder. When it's open this SYS again. So once it opens like this, then you scroll down to setup. Make sure you're following. This is the setup. Then you run as administrator. You click. Forget about the language. So yes. You click yes. You wait for it. So once it's open, like I said earlier, just forget about the language. You click. This is where you click. When you click this, it will show up. Setting up. Yes, you click on OK. So what you do now is you just close this. You open the AutoCAD. Once you open it, it will show up here. I already installed it in my system. The plugin is here already. So if you follow the process that I just highlighted, you close your window, close your AutoCAD, then reboot the system again. Okay, you restart the system. So once you restart the system, it will automatically the plugin will be automatically appear in your AutoCAD. Thank you for listening.